Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Audi A8. The first thing, check your Bluetooth is on, like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the controls here, you've got telephone there and menu there. I accidentally touched the keypad then with my big fat fingers, but onto telephone, search for new mobile device, click, continue, click. It's already found Audi MMI 0738 here, so the phone's found the system. We're just waiting for the system to catch up. Barry's iPhone 11, so we'll click on that. Hands-free, click again. Connection's been established. It's saying 139664. Is that number correct? Yes, it is. So we'll click pair on that and yes on that. Bluetooth connection has been established. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. And then if we go to the top, Audi MMI 0738 connected.